Welcome to Stanford Laboratories, an organization which strongly believes in being qualitatively effective by ensuring adherence to the updated EU-GMP and PICS norms in the products manufactured for both domestic and international markets. Stanford Laboratories has been active in the domain of pharmaceuticals since a very long time, and is currently involved in the business of manufacturing finished formulations since more than a decade. Our manufacturing plants are situated in the lush green region of Himachal Pradesh, and the company has its corporate office in prime business area at MG Road, Gurugram, Delhi NCR. We have two manufacturing plants designated as Block 1 and Block 2, manufacturing more than 200 different types of formulations and products. Block 2 is our latest commissioned facility, focusing towards developed international markets and manufacturing oral solid dosage forms in tablets, capsules, and oral powder, totally complying to updated EU-GMP standards. Following the unidirectional flow concept, technology, automation, and highly capable HVAC and water systems take center stage and form the basis of the plant design. Highly controlled access of areas and complete SOP-governed separate movement of men and material across plant has been established. Our plant is fully equipped with latest automation equipment and is designed to deploy advanced machinery, systems for managing highly controlled material movement system with least amount of human interaction. Latest technologies have been adopted to maintain and comply with the 21 CFR requirements. Production, manufacturing, and packing equipment are equipped with latest technologies operated completely through PLC and our SCADA-enabled systems. As the utilities and internal environment conditions are extremely important for the quality of the product, we have ensured and installed a highly advanced HVAC system, offering completely different dedicated air handling units for each and every area, maintaining the right temperature, humidity, and pressure conditions as needed. The company has a highly advanced water system, ensuring the adherence to the latest norms. To efficiently govern and manage these utilities, we have installed a highly automated building management system, or BMS, ensuring that the required conditions are maintained for each area as needed. The company is well equipped with two quality control laboratories with latest technology and instruments, having all the latest equipment being managed and controlled by the centralized software, and is equipped with multiple HPLC, UPLC, GC, AAS, etc., and also a highly specialized microbiological lab. We are working tirelessly towards our vision to deliver products strictly adhering to the EU-GMP norms for both international and domestic markets, and try our best to be qualitatively effective.